Hello, this is Rob from Intermatic Tech Support. This quick clip video is going to show you how to set holidays on an ET2000 electronic control timer. We're going to start by opening the door. There's a flap that opens and the door just opens up. So in order to set a holiday, what you want to do is you want to hit the mode button until it shows set date and then January, and it'll say 1H. Now you have to be cognizant in that it shows 1H versus the January and then a date and then a year, because then that means you're in the set date, not the actual set date for a holiday. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set your month. So you can set whichever month by hitting the plus or minus button. So we'll set it for March. We're going to hit enter, and this you can set your date. Holiday can be any date that you want, and you set your date. You're going to hit enter, and then you're going to set, this is your stop time for your holiday. So you're going to want to hit for March, enter, and let's say you want it to do it on the 9th. It's important that you go the next day if you want it for one day. So you hit enter, and this timer allows you to put an on and off time for that specific holiday. So in order to do an on time, it'll say on at. You hit the day button. You choose your time that you want to turn on that specific holiday. You hit enter. This is going to be your off event. Hit the day button. Hit the plus or minus button to set your time. And then once you are done, you hit enter, and it'll take you to your next holiday. It'll show you a number 2. Now, in order to get to the next holiday, you have to complete the first holiday. So the next holiday, we'll do it for January 1st, which will be New Year's. So in order to set a New Year's holiday, we'll hit enter. We'll hit the number 1 for New Year's, hit enter. And then we're going to do the same date, which is January. It'll say off, meaning that this is when the holiday is going to stop. We're going to choose our next day. That's when the holiday will stop. And then you're going to hit enter, and you can choose again to do an on and off on that specific holiday. For this circumstance, we're not going to choose on and off time. Then you're going to hit the mode button, and it'll take you right back to auto.